Hello guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be discussing the CTET December 2021 paper 2. Okay, and if this video will be helpful to you, useful to you, so please don't forget to like, subscribe and to share my channel, as you can give your bigger support to us by doing this. So let's start. Question 1 is, सबसे पहले हम चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट एंड पेडागोजी का सेक्शन डिस्कस करेंगे. तो सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन है, जीन पियाजे proposed that children's thinking is dash that of adults. So Jean Piaget proposed that children's thinking is qualitatively different to that of adults. So यहाँ पर C option will be the correct one. Next question is, in many cases young girls rather than boys are expected to perform household chores and sibling care in the absence of their mothers. This is an example of gender stereotype is the correct answer. Next question is, which of the following can enhance critical thinking in middle school students? So correct option is A, asking students to discuss topics in groups and come up with questions. Next question is question 4, which of the following is not a characteristic of progressive education? So correct option is option 3, encouraging rote memorization. Next question is, statement is given. Statement A is, inclusive education does not include children with giftedness, and statement R is, inclusive education functions on deficit perspective only. So choose the correct option. So here answer is both A and R are false. Next question is question 6, which of the following attitude is best suited to positive group dynamics within the classroom? Correct option is D, encouraging all students in class to dialogue and collaborate for problem solving. Next question is, which of the following statements about socialization is correct? So correct option is, families and schools are major contributors to socialization, but there are other agencies such as media and peers who have an important role. Question number 8 is, mathematical disorder in context of learning disability is referred to as. So correct option is second, that is dyscalculia. Next question is, a teacher encourages children to talk to their elders and members of community to learn about their heritage. Choose the set of options that indicate teachers' belief about socialization and learning. So first है, recognizing the importance of knowledge that children gain through community. Second one is, understanding that learning takes place in a social context and it is important to connect with it. Third option is, importance of linking school knowledge with the local knowledge, and option number 4 is, giving more importance to school knowledge. सो यहाँ पर आपको ऐसे ऑप्शन सिलेक्ट करने हैं दैट इंडिकेट टीचर्स बिलीफ अबाउट सोशलाइजेशन एंड लर्निंग. सो यहाँ पर जो फर्स्ट, सेकेंड एंड थर्ड ऑप्शन है, दीज आर द करेक्ट वन. रिकॉग्नाइजिंग द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ नॉलेज दैट चिल्ड्रन गेन थ्रू कम्युनिटी. Second is, understanding that learning takes place in a social context and it is important to connect with it. Third is, importance of linking school knowledge with the local knowledge. So first, second and third is correct. Next is, which of the following scenario exemplifies constructivist pedagogy? So correct option is, a teacher presents his student with a contemporary issue on which they discuss and debate. Next question is question number 11, which of the following is an example of intrinsic motivation? Correct option is third, that is, a student is doing experiment because he is curious about the result of the experiment. Next question is, responding to Heinz's dilemma, Ruhi says stealing the drug is wrong under any circumstance because it is wrong to steal. According to Loris Kohlberg theory of moral development, Ruhi is at which stage? So she is at the stage of conventional level, law and order orientation. Next question is, dash in is example of effective classroom practice. So collaborative learning is an example of effective classroom practice. Next question is assertion A. It is important to focus on the development of children from infancy to adolescence and reason. Even though the first few years of life are significant for development from the point of view of brain plasticity, the role of childhood and adolescence is a sensitive period. So here both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. First is the correct option here. Next question is, for the purpose of comprehensive assessment, a teacher should, so here correct option is 4, consider outcome as well as process of learning for students. Next question is question 16, which of the following statements about language and thought is correct from a Vygotskian perspective? Correct option is, sorry. Correct option is 4. Language facilitates development of higher mental functions. D is the correct option here. Next question is question number 17. A teacher encourages his or her students to make concept maps after teaching a topic. This would be helpful in first, conductive formative assessment, yes. Second, testing the capability of students to summarize the main points, yes. Third, developing rubrics to evaluate the level of students, yes. So first, second and third are the correct options here. Next question is question number 18. What does interpersonal intelligence in Howard Gardner's theory of multiple intelligence means? So it is the ability to detect and respond appropriately to the moods, temperaments, motivations and intentions of other is the correct option, option 3. Next question number 19 is, errors in children's work should be thoroughly analyzed by the teacher and discussed with children is the correct option. Next question is question number 20. A metaphor of jug and the mug is often used to depict how traditional education views teacher as a big jug pouring knowledge into the mind of a student depicted by a smaller mug. This kind of understanding is problematic because correct option is 3. Students carry valuable experiences with them and learning is constructed with their active participation with teachers and peers. 3 is the correct option. Next is question number 21. A child is shown a 3D model of 3 mountains. Another person is looking at the model from a different position. The child is asked to depict the other person's view of the model but is unable to do so correctly. According to Jean Piaget, this is illustrative of egocentrism is the correct option, option 4. Next question is question number 22. Primary school children learn most effectively in an atmosphere where the socio-emotional needs for the children are taken care of is the correct option, option A. Next question. In a progressive classroom, stress needs to be placed on creating an atmosphere where third is the correct option, that is emotional needs of students are taken care of and they are feel valued. Next question is National Education Policy 2020 proposes inclusion of dash and dash for assessment of children. Correct option is National Education Policy 2020 proposes inclusion of group work and self-assessment for assessment of children. Third is the correct option. Next, question number 25. Hardik has low vision. The teacher has not been informed of his condition. Which of the following actions in class can indicate the teacher that he has low vision? Correct option is 4. Squinting of eyes while reading. Next question is, which of the following characterizes a metacognitive skill? Correct option is 3rd, that is thinking about own thinking processes. 3rd is the correct option. Next is pedagogical strategy of reciprocal teaching is based on socio-cultural approach is the correct option, option 3. Next question, Lev Vygotsky referred to the difference between what a child can do on his own and what can be accomplished with some assistance as, so it is the zone of the proximal development, that is option A. Next question is, a teacher can create a conducive classroom environment for learners with disability by, correct option is 2nd, making reasonable and appropriate curricular accommodations. 2nd is the correct option here. Next question is question number 30. Salma, a 5-year-old girl, started playing the musical instrument guitar without any outside instruction when she was 3 years old. This talent would characterize her as gifted. Second is the correct option here. So this was the psychology section of CTET paper 2. Now we will discuss the other sections of this paper. Yes, now so this is the section of mathematics and science जिसमें साइंस के क्वेश्चंस और मैथ्स के क्वेश्चन बीच बीच में दिए गए हैं. ओके, सो लेट्स डिस्कस नाउ. So question number first of science and mathematics are, there are many steps involved in making wool from sheep. Which of the following represents the correct sequence of the steps? So correct option is option 4, shearing, scouring, sorting, dyeing, rolling into yarn, weaving. Option 4 is the correct one. Next question is, a teacher brought into her classroom half kg flour, some warm water, sugar and yeast and asked following students, identify the questions that are divergent. So here correct option is, what do you think I am going to do with all these things? And B, will sugar dissolve easily in warm water? So A and B are the correct options here. Next question is, which of the following statements is true regarding GeoGebra? So answer is option number 4. It is a software using in exploring geometry. Next is the value of. So यहाँ पर you can see the question here and the correct answer is 1/18. You can pause the video, check out the question, solve the following question and then you can check the answer. Next question is question number 5. In which of the following situations water cannot be used to extinguish fires? Correct option is A, electrical fire and C, burning of petrol. A and C are the correct option. Next question is, school curriculum should teach important mathematics. What does the statement means? So this statement means students should be provided with context which highlights the need for mathematical concepts. Next question is, X is synthetic figure which resembles wool and is used to make shawls and sweaters and blankets. What could X be? So correct option is acrylic. Fourth is the correct option here. Next question is question 8. To make your science classes more gender inclusive, you may do all of the following except. Correct option is encouraging girls to be more competitive than boys. Third is the correct option here. Next question is, for a triangle to be isosceles, which of the following statement is true? Correct option is, two of its angles are equal is both necessary and sufficient condition. Next question is question number 10. An article is marked 25% above its cost price. If a discount of 25% is given on the marked price, then there is a, so correct option is a loss of 1/4%. Next question is, which of the following is not true? So correct option is a circle has only one line of symmetry. Second is the correct option. Next question is, let P is equal to 10x square minus 8y square plus 5xy. Q is equal to 12xy plus 10y square plus 3x square and R is equal to 8y square minus 3x square plus 4xy, then P minus Q plus R is equal to, so correct option is third, that is 4x square minus 10y square minus 3xy. Next question is question number 13. Z is a microorganism present in the alimentary canal of human beings and other animals which aids in the digestion of food. What is Z? So it is in bacteria. Fourth is the correct option. Next question. Question number 14. If x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to 3 and z is equal to minus 3, then what is the value of y square x cube plus 2y cube minus 3x square y square plus 4xyz? So correct option is 3, that is minus 54. Next question is, which of the following sets comprises physical changes? So correct option is 3. Breaking of glass, grinding wheat and boiling of water. Next question, identify the correct statement from among the following. So correct option is the percolation rate of water in sandy soil is higher than that of clay soil. Next question is, which of the following is an example of mathematical modeling? Correct option is setting up the equations for a word problem. Next question is, if 0.00001275 is equal to k multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 7, then the value of k by 5 is. Correct option is second, 2.55. You can pause the video, you can do the questions, and after that you can check the answers from here for mathematics. Okay. Next question is, dyscalculia is characterized by. So A, difficulty in understanding number concepts, true. Lack of an intuitive grasp of numbers, true. Inability to coordinate the verbal and spatial aspects of number, true. A, B, C are the correct option. Next is ABCD is a trapezium in which A is parallel to DC. The ratio of AB to DC is 2:1 and the distance between AB and DC is 20 cm. If the area of the trapezium is 720 cm square, then the length of the AB is, correct option is second, that is 48 cm. Next question, X is a plant which is an autotroph as well as a heterotroph. So what could X be? It is a picture plant. A is the correct option. Next question, which of the following statement is correct? So correct option is the unfertilized egg has one X, that is 6 chromosome. Next question is, if 3.4 plus 2.025 plus 9.36 minus 3 multiplied by 4.1003 is equal to 3 minus p, then what is the value of p? Correct option is third, 0.5159. Next question, question number 24. Ashu was given individual task of measuring the body temperatures of at least 5 classmates. Following are the task specific indicators to assess Ashu. Identify the undesirable indicator. So draws conclusion that temperature of every person is exactly 37 degree Celsius is the correct option, option first. Next question is, given below are a few statements about the phenomenon of a shadow formation of an object. Identify the correct statement. So here, size of shadow depends upon the distance between light source and the object, correct. Position of shadow depends upon the direction of incident light, correct. A and B are the correct option, option third. Next question, Shyama is standing 1 meter away from a plane mirror and is observing her image. She takes 2 steps backwards. What change would she see in her image? So the image remains the same size but moves further away from the mirror. Fourth is the correct option here. Next question is question number 27. A green cube with side of 0.25 centimeter, a red cube with side of 0.35 meter and a yellow cube having side of 0.5 meter are lying on a flat table. Which of them would exert more pressure on the table given that mass of all cubes is same? Correct option is 3, green cube. Next question is, in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. AC is equal to 169 centimeter and BC is equal to 120 centimeter. The length of AB in centimeter is 119. First is the correct option. Next question is, metal P displaces metal Q from its salt solution but is not able to displace metal R from its salt solution. Identify the least reactive metal. Correct option is 4, that is Q. Next question is, a compilation of data on population status of endangered species is Red Data Book. First is the correct option. Next question, which of the following statements best describes nature of science? Correct option is third, so science is a social endeavor. Next question, what will be the sequence of your lesson planning using inquiry approach? So correct option is stimulate students interest. सबसे पहले इंटरेस्ट क्रिएट करेंगे, दैट इज ऑप्शन बी. देन ए, provide plenty of time for discussions before presenting the scientific terms, and then C, give opportunity for applications of the concepts and the principle. So B, A, C is the correct option. Next question, question number 33, which of the following will not be helpful in the process of separating a mixture of chalk and water? Sublimation is the correct option. यू नो दैट सब्लिमेशन एक प्रोसेस होता है जिसमें सॉलिड से सीधा जो है वो गैस में कन्वर्ट होती हैं थिंग्स, है ना, जैसे नैफ्थलीन बॉल्स. वी कैन टेक द एग्जांपल ऑफ नैफ्थलीन बॉल्स. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 34. One of the factors of a plus b plus c whole square minus a plus c minus d whole square is, correct option is second, b plus d. Next question, question number 35. The advantages of conducting field trips over using educational software is that, correct option is it involves all the senses, A, and B. It can cater to large groups. A and B are the correct options. Next question is question number 36. Which of the following would not qualify as a higher aim of teaching mathematics? So correct option is first, to train students in mechanical calculations. Next question is, if triangle ABC is congruent to triangle FED, then angle B is equal to angle E. Fourth is the correct option. Next question is, which of the following sets comprises liquids which are good conductors of electricity? Correct option is lemon juice, vinegar, and tap water. Fourth is the correct option. Next question is, according to NCF 2005, the pedagogic practices recommended at the upper primary stage are, correct option is A, group discussion, and B, designing simple investigations. Next question is, what is the mean of the range, median, and mode of the data given below? Correct option is 10. Again you can pause the video, again you can do the sum, and then you can check your answer. Next question is, what is the sum of the cubes of the integers lying between -5 and 6? Correct option is 125. Next question, what is the need for having a historically valid science curriculum? So correct option is A, it helps understand how social factors influence the development of science, and C, it helps learners appreciate how the concepts of science evolve with time. A and C are the correct options here. Next question is, which of the following statement is correct regarding teaching learning of mathematics? So correct option is third, medium of instruction impacts mathematical understanding. Next question is, Reva is driving from her office to her home, which is 22 km away. She travels at a speed of 48 km per hour for 10 minutes. She stops for 15 minutes at a market to buy some items. She resumes her journey at a speed of 56 km per hour. What is her average speed for the entire journey? Correct option is 33 km per hour. Next question is, which of the following is the most appropriate strategy for introducing the concept of multiplication of two fractions in the middle school? Correct option is third, the process should be visually represented. Next question is question number 46. In triangle ABC, angle A is equal to 2x minus 5 degree, angle B is equal to 5x plus 5 degree, and angle C is equal to 3x plus 50 degree. Side BC is produced to D and CE is the bisector of angle ACD. The measure of angle ECD is, so 40 by 1 by 2 degree, 45 and half. Okay, next is, if the 9-digit number 985x3678y is divisible by 72, then what is the value of 3x plus 2y? Correct option is 20. Next question is, which of the following represent correct matching set of type of joints? So यहाँ पर बॉल एंड सॉकेट जॉइंट होता है, वो आर्म्स एंड शोल्डर्स में होता है, दैट इज ए का फर्स्ट है. सेकंड इज पिवटल जॉइंट, सो इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है नेक. सी इज हिंज जॉइंट, जिसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है एल्बो, एंड डी इज द फिक्स्ड जॉइंट, जिसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है सेकंड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, if If x is added to each of the numbers 5, 11, 3 and 8, the numbers so obtained in this order are in proportion. What is the value of under root x plus 2 and 4x minus 3? Correct option is 15. Next question. Question number 50. Consider the following statements. Statement A, if n is even, n square is even. Statement B, if n square is not even, then n is not even. Which of the statement is correct? So, here first is the correct option. B is contrapositive of A. Next question is, yes, question number 51. If 3x plus 10 by 2 minus 4x is equal to 1 minus 5x minus 4 upon 6, then the value of 7x minus 8 is, correct option is 6. Next question. A science teacher within a constructivist framework would be in agreement to all of the following except, correct option is A, learners' intuitive ideas always correspond with scientific knowledge. Next question is, water is pouring into a cuboidal reservoir at the rate of 1200 liters per minute. The length, breadth and height of the reservoir are 24 meter, 18 meter and 10 meter respectively. The number of hours it will take to fill the reservoir is, correct option is second, that is 60. Next question. Identify the incorrect statement from the following. Correct option is 3. Sound can travel through vacuum. Next question is, identify the correct statement from among the following. Correct option is, counter examples are helpful in assessing the validity of generalizations. Next question is, the volume of a right circular cylinder is 7392 centimeter cube and its height is 12 centimeter. The area in centimeter square of its base is, take pi is equal to 22 by 7. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज 3 616. मैथ्स के क्वेश्चंस के लिए आप वीडियो को पॉज कर सकते हो. यू कैन फाइंड आउट द आंसर एंड देन यू कैन चेक द आंसर फ्रॉम हेयर. आई एम जस्ट पोस्टिंग दिस वीडियो to just give you the idea that how the paper came in December 2021. Okay, next question is question number 57. X and Y are elements which are highly reactive with air, hence stored in kerosene. What could X and Y be? Correct option is sodium and potassium. Next question is question number 58. The sum of squares of distinct common prime factors of 120, 210 and 330 is, correct option is 438. Next question is, from the following statements about science, identify the one that is false. Correct option is, the scientific method is the only guide for conducting research. It is the false statement. Next question, question number 60 and the last question of mathematics and science section. X is a vitamin which is fat soluble and helps in keeping skin and eye healthy. Y represents food items rich in this vitamin. Identify X and Y. So correct option is vitamin A, yellow fruits. So this was the science and the mathematics section. So in next video I will upload the English and the Hindi section. जिन्होंने पेपर 1 जो है इंग्लिश सिलेक्ट किया था एंड पेपर 2 जो है वो हिंदी सिलेक्ट किया था. ओके सो और जिन्होंने पेपर 1 जो लैंग्वेज 1 जो है वो हिंदी सिलेक्ट किया था उनके लिए भी मैं आई विल अपलोड द पेपर. ओके सो जो इंग्लिश और हिंदी का सेक्शन है दैट्स वाई मुझे अलग वीडियोस बनानी पड़ रही हैं एंड आई होप दिस वीडियो हेल्प्ड यू. So please don't forget to like, subscribe and to share my channel, as you can give your biggest support to us by doing this. Keep supporting, keep motivating. Thank you.